What's in his mouth? Oh, it's stuff. Take it. What? No, take it.
We're in the parking lot at Target. We just pulled in, and these guys are out here. We don't know what they are. Some kind of crane, I guess.
Get all three.
I know. I'm gonna have to back up again.
Get the two in the back. The two in the back of the phone.
Crazy. They're huge. The one doesn't have a red head.
Oh yeah.
It might be a young one or something.
Maybe that's the female.
Oh yeah. I bet these are some kind of a crane. We'll have to look them up.
They look like ostriches.
I know, I thought that's what
They're making noises, dude.
There's a lot of...
Is that them making a noise?
Or the insects. They're getting a lot of whatever they're eating. Nobody else is stopping, so this might be common.
Or everybody wants to get away from the hurricane. And we're just bird watching while there's a hurricane hitting.
Just kidding, there isn't.
Watch him fight. Watch him. I just looked.
He heard me laugh at that.
So what you laughing at? Oh.
Oh, maybe that's it. They're getting some stuff, though.
I don't know. I haven't seen any of them eat anything.
Those are insects you're hearing knocked down.
No, those are birds, huh?
Really? I'd like to see him fly. Should we scare him?
No.
I'm teasing him. He got something. Did you see that? He got that same thing in his mouth.
Oh no, I think it's like a leaf or something gets stuck on his beak. I don't know, maybe one part of his beak and it's the twitch or whatever. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
He just gave it to... I think that it's either the young guy or the female.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think it's the young guy because he doesn't have a
They're
lot
feeding
of
him,
feathers.
and they're giving him more
And look at
food.
his feathers. They're really light. And he doesn't have a lot of them compared to others. Yeah.
Oh, it's the mom and dad feeding the baby. The big baby.
Yeah.
And he's expected to be, that they feed him too.
What are they eating? Crickets?
Yeah, his beak doesn't look as big and black, see? It's smaller.
Yeah, look at his colorings on his feathers. They're, like,
They're beautiful.
lighter.
Look at the coloring on them. I'm going to do another up close here.
Okay. Look in here.
A squirrel. I don't know if that got him.
Oh, get the squirrel's head.
There he is. No one thinks they're so skinny.
He's gonna jump on our car once.
In our car. No, he's over there. He's got a nut. What is he eating, Owen?
He's eating.
It's big, whatever it is. It's not a nut.
Oh, probably some that fruit from the palm tree.
Oh.
Those little orange things. They eat them.
Man, there's so much wildlife here. Look at the feathers on them. They're so cool looking.
They're slowly but surely.
They hear us talking, I think.
Get
Just-
up close on the head of one. Like the one on the left.
Mhm.
Yeah, zoom in on this.
That's as far as I... Oh, okay. Whoa. Whoa. Sorry, everybody. Where'd he go?
Let me do it. Let me do it. Let me. That's horrible. I hate when you do this.
Like that, Owen?
Oh, that looks awesome. Go to the little guy next to him. Yeah. And it has to be a baby. See, he's got like, a little bit of red.
Isn't he cute?
And the mom's eating, and the dad is like, son, this is how we look out for predators.
Let's see. Oops, she just went down.
God, this is such bad quality. Holy crap. This is like a 60s movie right now. Zoom out. I hope it's not going to be bad quality.
We'll find out.
Because it looks like alright quality now. But maybe on a big screen.
We'll find out.
I need a better camera.
Aren't they cool, baby? They're so cool.
Look at us, the babies looking at us.
Aw,
The little
hi.
juveniles looking at us.
Hi, you're so cute.
Zoom up on the juvenile. Oh, he was looking at us.
I'm so good at this. I'll never find it again. Oh, and stop it.
What?
You know it.
What?
Okay, off we go.